If you aim to sharpen your analytical skills and learn to solve challenges independently, this question will help you push yourself to the next level. Let's work on this together so you will see your abilities improve. You're presented with 3 hexagons. Each shape has 4 numbers inside. The first shape has numbers 1, 3, 5, and 18. The second shape has numbers 2, 4, 6, and 36. The third shape has numbers 2, 3, and 4. And then comes the missing number, which you need to calculate and select out of 4 possible choices. Choice A, 32. Choice B, 36. Choice C, 40. And last but not least, choice D, 54. Well, I know it's tempting to rewind the video and look up the answer right away. But wait, that's not why you're here. I would like you to reconsider. I really want you to try to solve this challenge on your own. Here on this channel, we truly help you to figure out problems on your own. Remember, there's no substitute for hard work. The more effort you put in, the better the results will be. In fact, to fuel your motivation, consider these words of wisdom from Seneca. Difficulties strengthen your mind, as labor does the body. This quote emphasizes the importance of challenging yourself to get to the next level. So keep pushing yourself hard, and remember that each challenge you tackle here on this channel or in life makes you stronger and wiser. And this is the most important skill for any career. Still struggling? Well, I can understand that. So let me give you a hint. Look at the numbers 1, 3, and 5. Have you considered that to get to number 18, you can do some math operations with these numbers? Still not helpful? What about 1 plus 3 plus 5? I'm pretty sure you've got it now. Remember that it's perfectly okay to pause the video and reflect on the problem while you look for patterns. Time's up. Are you ready to show your answer? I hope you finished your solution and we can compare answers now. But if you haven't, don't worry. The key is not to give up. Remember, the best way to improve is to engage into daily practice. Based on scientific research, make sure to do cognitive exercises daily for at least 21 days or longer to expect meaningful progress. And I'm pretty sure you've got the pattern for this particular question now. As you're well aware by now, 9, 12, and 3 o'clock numbers, along with the multiplier, calculate the bottom number using the formula A plus B plus C in parentheses multiplied by multiplier equals the number on the bottom. The little trick here is that multiplier is different for each one of the 3 shapes. For the first shape, the multiplier is by 2. For the second shape, multiplier is by 3. And for the third shape, you have to multiply by 4. Let's look at the example to better understand the logic. First shape has numbers 1, 3, and 5 on the top. 1 plus 3 plus 5 multiplied by 2 equals 18 because multiplier is 2. Second shape's math is 2 plus 4 plus 6 multiplied by 3 now because multiplier is 3 equals 36. And now is the magic time. Let's go ahead and calculate the missing number. 2 plus 3 plus 4 multiplied by 4 equals 36. So the correct answer here is choice B, 36. To succeed with this question, one has to acknowledge what famous entrepreneur Brian Tracy once said: your attitude determines your altitude. So let's approach this question with a positive attitude and a determination to succeed, knowing that your mindset plays a crucial role in overcoming the challenges. You're presented with cool-looking shape, which has number 7 in the middle, and numbers 11, 12, 13. See the pattern? 95, 83 present. And next number is missing, which you need to calculate and select the answer out of 4 possible choices. Choice A, 65. Choice B, 71. Choice C, 79. And last but not least, choice D, 87. Hey, I understand that you might be thinking about the complexity of this question ahead. Yet remember, encountering a difficult question in the assessment test is not just a challenge, but a stepping stone for your personal growth. Pause for a second, believe in your capabilities, and tackle this question with confidence and perseverance. Remember, we are in this together, ready to overcome the hurdle and come out more robust. Make sure you do your best trying. Time's up. Are you ready to show your answer? As you approach answering this question, remember that the journey of your self-improvement is always paved with challenges. Whether your answer is correct or not, each of your attempts make you strengthen your skills and resilience, bringing you closer to success. If you, as Mr. Tracy suggested, focus on your attitude, you will be able to achieve unbelievable heights. And your attitude should be focused on trying and making errors. In fact, the best attitude is to try to stay eager to explore and learn, recognizing that errors are stepping stones to your knowledge. Speaking about the errors, the most common mistake to solve this particular question is overcomplication, thinking that the pattern is more complex than it actually is, leading to overcomplicating the solutions. Actual solution is real simple. The numbers on the opposite sides of the shape are calculated as subtraction of digits plus 7. Let's look at the example. 9 minus 5 plus 7 equals 11. Let's reaffirm these calculations with the next set of numbers. 8 minus 3 plus 7 equals 12. To calculate the missing number, you need to realize that resulting subtraction of digits for the final number equals 6, because 13 minus 7 equals 6. And the only choice that makes sense here is where 7 minus 1 plus 7 equals 13. So the correct answer here is choice B, 71. Admit it or not, but we need to consider this question as a chapter in the adventure novel of your learning journey. The more chapters you complete, the more epic your score of success becomes. You're presented with 5 mathematical equations. Well, those equations look unusual. The first equation is 1 plus 1 equals 13. 1 plus 2 equals 15. 2 plus 2 equals 26. 2 plus 3 equals 28. 3 plus 3 equals the missing number, which you need to calculate and select out of 4 possible choices. Choice A, 35. Choice B, 37. Choice C, 39. And last but not least, choice D, 41. I wonder, what's your first impression of this challenge? I don't want you to think of this one as a tough challenge. Rest assured, you're not trying to solve it alone. Regardless of your experience in problem solving, I believe in your abilities. Pause for a moment, harness your creativity, and let's face this challenge together. The answer is just waiting for your insightful touch. Are you ready to showcase your solution? Let's get into it to see how our answers match up. And even if you don't have the answer, don't get discouraged. Keep your spirits up even if you're unsure. Every question, whether answered correctly or not, is a chance to gain valuable insights and refine your skills for future success. As you might have guessed, to solve these equations, you need to think out of the box and recognize the pattern. But pattern here is rather simple. To get to the final result, the traditional math here is supplemented by adding the number, which is represented by combination of 2 digits. Let's look at the example. The initial first equation is 1 plus 1 equals 13. But in addition to 1 plus 1 math, we need to add 11, the combination of digits 1 and 1. So the final math would be 1 plus 11 plus 1, and then the result equals 13. Let's look at other expressions to validate our assumption. 1 plus 2 equals 1 plus 12 plus 2 and equals 15. 2 plus 2 equals 2 plus 22 plus 2 and equals 26. 2 plus 3 equals 2 plus 23 plus 3 and equals 28, which allows us to calculate the missing number. 3 plus 3 equals 3 plus 33 plus 3 and equals 39. So the correct answer here is choice C, 39. It's hard to deny, but with this question, we have to embrace the uncertainty of not knowing the answer. But keep in mind, though, that doing your best in trying to solve this question is also a chance for you to showcase your resilience and problem-solving skills. You're presented with 4 squares. Each square has 4 numbers inside. The first square has numbers 17, 15, 34, and 11. The second square has numbers 12, 18, 28, and 19. The third square has numbers 21, 10, 30, and 16. And then comes the fourth square, which has numbers 27, 17, 25, and then comes the missing number, which you need to calculate and select out of 4 possible choices. Choice A, 8, choice B, 23, choice C, 26, and last but not least, choice D, 31. Do you think it's a tough challenge? Well, the solution might be simpler than you think. Let me show you the pattern. Look, all numbers here are 2-digit numbers. And then choice A is only 1 digit, so probably we can eliminate it. Wouldn't you agree? And then you have a 33.3% of solving this question by just selecting one of the answers, B through D. Obviously, it was a joke. This question may or may not have the pattern that's easy to understand. But instead of thinking how hard it is to solve this question, I would like you to start thinking out of the box. Rest assured, you're not trying to solve this question alone. Regardless of your expertise in problem solving, I believe in your abilities. Pause for a moment, harness your creativity, and let's face this challenge together. The answer is just waiting for you to be discovered. Are you ready to showcase your solution? Let's get into it and see how our answers match up. And even if you don't have the answer, don't get discouraged. Keep your spirits up even if you're unsure. Every question, whether answered correctly or not, is a chance for you to gain valuable insights and refine your skills for future success. The pattern in this question is rather simple. Sum of all the numbers inside of each square equals 77. Let's look at the example. In the first square, if we add up 17, 15, 11, and 34, the end result of this is 77. Let's confirm it with the second square. 12 plus 18 plus 19 plus 28 also equals 77. Believe it or not, but in third square, 21 plus 10 plus 16 plus 30 also equals 77. Now we can calculate the missing number. We need to do calculations a little differently here. 27 plus 17 plus 25 equals 69. 77 minus 69 equals 8. So the correct answer here is choice A, 8. You know, I feel just like my old math book from high school. Why did math book look sad during the test? Because it had too many problems. But hey, I have you, and together we can solve any question, even this one. You're presented with unusually looking shapes. Shapes have numbers inside. The middle number in the first shape is 17. Numbers in a circle are 4, 7, and 3. And numbers inside the large circle are 10, 2, and 5. In the second shape, the middle number is 16. The numbers in the small circle are 3, 4, and 1. And the numbers inside the large circle are 12, 4, and 3. Third circle looks a little bit more challenging, just a little, because 2 numbers are missing. But the numbers in the small circle are 5, 7, and 2, and there are 2 numbers inside the large circles, 6 and 3. And just like I said, 2 numbers are missing, and you need to calculate and select them out of 4 possible choices. Choice A, 14 and 21. Choice B, 16 and 23. Choice C, 18 and 25. And last but not least, choice D, 20 and 27. You feel like you stumbled upon a tough one? Well, you're not alone, but remember, nothing is too challenging for you. You can do anything. Your answer is just waiting to be discovered. Are you ready? Let's move forward and discover the solution together. If you look closely, you can easily recognize the pattern. In fact, outside numbers form clockwise addition expression with the result at 8 o'clock. And inside numbers form multiplication expression with the result at 2 o'clock. And middle number is the sum of results of both calculations for inside and outside numbers. Let's look at the example. If you look closely at the numbers in small circles, 3, 4, and 7, you can easily see that 3 plus 4 equals 7. Let's look at the numbers inside of the larger circle. 5 multiplied by 2 equals 10. You need to move counterclockwise here. 7 and 10 are results of the calculations. 10 plus 7 equals 17, which represents the middle number. Make sure you verify the pattern in the middle shape, but I am going to switch to the third shape, which has 2 numbers missing. 2 plus 5 equals 7. These are the calculations in small circles. 6 multiplied by 3 equals 18. These are the calculations inside the large circle. And 7 plus 18 equals 25. So the correct answer here is choice C, numbers 18 and 25. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate you for helping us to become one of the largest YouTube channels to help people become smarter, increase your IQ, and to pass any test. If the content of this video was helpful, please make sure to click the like button to help YouTube algorithm promote this video and help other people to find it faster. Giving us a like is also a way for you to tell us that you need more content like this, and when you tell us, we will deliver it for you in the future. For links to free and premium resources, please check the description and comments of this video. You can also go directly to our website, howtoanalyzedata.net, to download the materials related to this topic. I really appreciate your endorsement, support, and patronage of this channel. And thank you for considering to become a member and considering to subscribe. Please leave feedback, suggestions, or corrections in comments. And all the best on your journey. I'll see you in my next video.